Welcome back to the cryptoworld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now we are potentially in the early stages of a bullish breakout from this falling wedge pattern, which I'll be talking about in just a moment, so definitely stick around. First of all, starting off on the 12-hour Bitcoin chart, and right now, as I'm recording this video, the price of Bitcoin is still sitting below this golden pocket, which is acting as a resistance, as I've been talking about for the past few days, and this is going up towards around 20.5k. So we need to see a breakout above 20.5k in order for the price of Bitcoin to confirm more of a bullish reversal. And obviously, until we see something like that, the price of Bitcoin is still below resistance, which means we are not in the clear just yet when it comes to Bitcoin. So technically speaking, when it comes to the trend on the 12-hour time frame right now, this is obviously still a bearish trend. We have not confirmed a bullish reversal once again, but we're potentially getting close to a reversal if we're looking on the 8-hour Bitcoin chart, because right now, as I'm recording this video, the price of Bitcoin is making an early attempt at pushing above this downward sloping line of resistance for this falling wedge pattern, and this line of resistance is sitting at around 20.1k to 20.2k. And so if we can see an 8 or a 12-hour candle close above that level of resistance, then that would be our first confirmation for a breakout to the upside. But ideally, a daily candle close above 20.2k is what we would need to see for extra confirmation for this breakout to the upside from this falling wedge pattern. But what would be even better would, of course, be a breakout above 20.5k with a daily candle close above 20,500. And so it's only when we start to see some candle closes above some significant levels of resistance, that is when I'll start to flip more bullish again when it comes to these trends on the 12-hour and the 8-hour chart, for example. And like I've been saying over the past couple of days, we do have an active bullish divergence right here between the RSI and the price action on the 8-hour time frame. So this can also assist the Bitcoin price in a possible breakout to the upside, because what a bullish divergence basically means is that the sellers are losing momentum. The bears are running out of steam at the moment, which can make some room for the bulls to step in here. And if the price of Bitcoin does end up confirming a break above these important levels of resistance, then one of the first price targets for this falling wedge pattern would be coming into play at around 22.2k approximately. And that price target is also sitting at the 50% retracement level, which adds confluence to that price level. But between now and then, even if we do see a successful breakout from this falling wedge pattern, there are some other points of resistance we could find along the way, such as this 23.6% Fibonacci level sitting at around 20.7k, and above that we should have some resistance at roughly around 21,500 based on this 38.2% Fibonacci level of resistance. So those are the price levels that I'll be focusing on moving forward if we of course see a confirmed break above this line of resistance that I just talked about. And if you zoom into the 4-hour Bitcoin chart, technically speaking, we still have an active bear flag in play, which has not been invalidated as I've recorded this video, and the technical price target for this bear flag is sitting at $18,000 per Bitcoin. But keep in mind, between now and then, there are other levels of support that can prevent the price of Bitcoin even reaching 18,000, such as this strong support starting at just above 19,000. And so far, as of recording this video, the price of Bitcoin has come within just a couple $100 of that strong range of support. And in case you're wondering, the invalidation for that bear flag would be if the price of Bitcoin breaks back above around 21,000. If we break back above 21k, then this price target and this bear flag pattern becomes invalidated. And also, what is happening on this 4-hour Bitcoin chart as of recording this video is a potential breakout in the 4-hour Bitcoin RSI above this descending line of resistance that has been holding the RSI down for quite some time. But considering the fact that by default the RSI goes off candle closes, we still need to see at least a candle close with the RSI well above this descending line of resistance, and as of right now we haven't yet seen that candle close. But this is something that I'll be paying attention to moving forward, and of course I'll keep you updated here in these videos every day and in real time over on my Twitter. So if you haven't followed me on Twitter, make sure you're doing that. The link is down below in the description and in the pinned comment. And while we're on the 4-hour Bitcoin chart, just giving you a quick update on that potential diamond bottom pattern which I talked about yesterday. And since yesterday, the price of Bitcoin did actually experience a small fake out to the downside, but we did not see a lower low in the 4-hour candle closes. And in fact, right now, at the time of recording this video, the price of Bitcoin is making an early attempt of a possible breakout to the upside here. But like I said earlier, we need to see candle closes above resistance. So right now, this breakout has not been confirmed. And other than seeing a candle close above this line of resistance, it would be even better to see a candle close in a higher high. So above these previous highs just here, which is sitting at around 20.4K if we're looking at the 4-hour candle closes. And if the price of Bitcoin confirms a breakout to the upside from this diamond bottom pattern, then the technical price target would be sitting at around 21.1K. And if we confirm a break below support, then the technical price target would be sitting at just underneath 19,000. And if you're new to this channel and if you want to know more information about this pattern right here and what it means for Bitcoin, check out my last video on this channel, because in that video, I went into a little bit more detail about what this means and the exact statistics for this pattern. But anyway, heading into the Ethereum part of this video, this right here is the 8-hour Ethereum chart. And right now, as I'm recording this video, we currently have one 8-hour candle close above this descending line of resistance for the falling wedge pattern. And so technically speaking, Ethereum currently has one confirmation for this breakout to the upside, unlike Bitcoin. And so this breakout from this falling wedge pattern sets up a technical price target for Ethereum to the upside, coming into play at around 1860 to 1870. And that is just underneath the 78.6% Fibonacci level of resistance, which is sitting at around 1880 approximately. But once again, it is important to understand that between now and that price target, there are obviously other levels of resistance, such as this 38.2% Fibonacci level of resistance sitting at around 1630, which could act as some short-term resistance. And above that, we have the 50% retracement level sitting at around 1700 exactly, which is also where this previous high is coming into play, which means the price of Ethereum has already confirmed resistance around 1700. And above that level, we have the golden pocket level of resistance up here at around 1780 approximately. So those are the main price levels that I'm focusing on for Ethereum moving forward, unless of course we invalidate this breakout by breaking back below this line right here. And this line is currently sitting at around 1530 approximately. So for as long as we don't see any significant candle closes, such as an 8-hour or a daily candle close, for example, below 1530, then right now, due to this breakout from the bullish falling wedge pattern, I am simply more bullish than bearish at the moment with some of these upside price targets in play. And like I said, that would only change with a confirmed break back below around 1530. And obviously, if you take a look at the 8-hour Ethereum RSI, we can see that we're still playing out a bullish divergence right now, which once again means that we're due to see reduced bearish momentum. So the bears are running out of steam at the moment, which gives the opportunity to the bulls to step in here. But going back to the resistance levels, that first level, the 38.2% Fibonacci level of resistance sitting at around 1630, really is an important level for Ethereum to break above, because if you zoom into the 4-hour Ethereum chart, we can see this range of resistance, which has previously acted as resistance and also support for the price of Ethereum. And as of recent, this has obviously been acting as resistance for Ethereum, and the top level of this range is sitting at around 1630, right where that 38.2% Fibonacci level is sitting at. So that price level sitting at 1,630 is the first important level of resistance that I'm looking at for Ethereum in the short term. And if you want to know how to make money on all of these moves in the market, no matter if the price is going up, down, or just chopping around sideways, then check out these videos popping up right here on your screen. The video in the top left of your screen, it shows you how to make money if the price is going either up or down, and the video in the bottom left of your screen shows you how to make money if the price is chopping around sideways. But anyway, that's everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next video.